Did you know there are places on Earth where no human foot has ever set? That strange creatures live beneath thick ice, untouched for thousands of years? Antarctica is not just a barren, frozen desert, but a continent hiding secrets that could change our understanding of the world. In this video, we'll dive deep into the icy continent to uncover the most intriguing and mysterious facts about it that most people don't know. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent on Earth. It is a land of extremes, both in terms of its size and its climate. Despite being covered in ice, it is technically a desert because it receives very little precipitation. Located at the southernmost point, it covers around 14 million square kilometers, which is about 9% of the Earth's total surface area. This makes it larger than Europe and almost twice the size of Australia. The continent is surrounded by the Southern Ocean, which isolates it from the other continents. The ice thickness in Antarctica in some areas reaches 4 kilometers, making it the largest reserve of fresh water on the planet. This ice has been accumulating for millions of years, preserving a unique record of Earth's climate history. Scientists drill deep into the ice to extract cores that provide valuable data about past atmospheric conditions. If all the ice were to melt, global sea levels would rise by around 60 meters. This would have catastrophic effects on coastal cities and ecosystems around the world. The melting of Antarctic ice is a major concern in the context of global climate change.
The continent is known for its extremely harsh climate. Temperatures can drop to minus 89.2 degrees Celsius, the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth. These frigid conditions are due to the high altitude and the fact that the sun does not rise for several months during the winter. The strong winds and lack of sunlight make conditions nearly uninhabitable. These katabatic winds can reach speeds of over 200 kilometers per hour, creating blizzard conditions that can last for days. The long periods of darkness during the polar winter add to the challenges of living and working in Antarctica. But there's strange and resilient life that thrives in these extreme conditions. Emperor penguins, seals, and even microscopic organisms have adapted to survive in this harsh environment. These species have developed unique behaviors and physiological adaptations that allow them to endure the cold and scarcity of food.
Despite the harsh climate, there are several species that have managed to adapt and survive in this frozen environment. The continent of Antarctica is one of the most extreme places on Earth, with temperatures that can plummet to minus 80 degrees Celsius and winds that can reach up to 200 kilometers per hour. Yet life finds a way to thrive here, showcasing the incredible resilience and adaptability of nature. The most famous of these is the emperor penguin, a symbol of endurance and survival in the face of adversity, which is the largest species of penguin and lives in Antarctica. These remarkable birds are known for their unique breeding cycle, where they endure the harsh winter to incubate their eggs. These penguins survive in temperatures as low as minus 50 degrees Celsius. They huddle together in large groups to conserve heat and protect themselves from the biting cold.
There are also seals, such as the Weddell seal, which can dive to depths of over 600 meters and stay underwater for more than an hour. And certain species of fish that have antifreeze blood, a fascinating adaptation that prevents their blood from freezing in the icy waters, allowing them to stay liquid even at freezing temperatures. These fish have evolved special proteins in their blood that act like antifreeze, a remarkable example of nature's ingenuity. Life in Antarctica isn't limited to large animals. The ecosystem is also home to a variety of smaller creatures. There are also microbes and tiny creatures that have adapted to the harsh conditions. These microorganisms play a crucial role in the Antarctic food web, breaking down organic material and recycling nutrients. Some of the hidden lakes beneath the ice, like Lake Vostok, contain microbial life that has been isolated for more than 20 million years, providing a unique window into the past and the potential for life in extreme conditions, offering clues about how life could survive in extreme environments on other planets. Scientists are particularly interested in these microbes, as they may hold the key to understanding how life can exist in the most inhospitable places, not just on Earth, but possibly on other celestial bodies as well.
Did you know that there are strange discoveries beneath the ice? Antarctica, a land of extreme cold and mystery, holds secrets that have fascinated scientists and explorers for decades. Beneath its thick, icy surface, there are hidden worlds waiting to be uncovered. In several places, scientists have found hidden lakes under the ice, known as subglacial lakes. These lakes have been isolated from the outside world for millions of years, creating unique ecosystems that are unlike anything else on Earth, which may contain their own life forms. Microbial life has been discovered in these lakes, thriving in complete darkness and extreme conditions. This has led researchers to wonder what other secrets these hidden lakes might hold. This discovery has opened up possibilities for studying life in other planetary environments like Mars. If life can exist in such harsh conditions on Earth, it raises the possibility that similar life forms could exist on other planets with extreme environments.
Some have even claimed to have found pyramids or mysterious structures under the ice, sparking debates and theories about their origins. Could these be remnants of ancient civilizations, or are they simply natural formations that have been misinterpreted, which has led to speculation about the nature of these formations? The unique and often bizarre shapes of the ice have fueled imaginations and led to numerous theories, both scientific and fantastical. Are they a result of natural processes, such as the movement of glaciers and the freezing and thawing cycles, or is there something more to these formations that we have yet to understand? Or could they be evidence of ancient civilizations? The idea that an advanced civilization could have existed in Antarctica before it was covered in ice is a tantalizing one, though it remains highly speculative.
In 1984, a meteorite from Mars was found in Antarctica, a discovery that added another layer of intrigue to this frozen continent. Dating back to about 13,000 years ago, this ancient meteorite has provided valuable insights into the history of our solar system and the potential for life beyond Earth. It contained traces of microbes potentially indicating past life on Mars, or even interactions between Mars and Earth in ancient times. The study of this meteorite continues to inspire scientists to explore the possibilities of life beyond our planet and the connections between celestial bodies. Antarctica is not as stable as we once thought. With rising global temperatures, the melting ice on the continent is accelerating. This poses a real threat to the future of our planet, as melting Antarctic ice could lead to a rise in sea levels, endangering coastal areas around the world.
Despite these threats, scientists are hopeful that they will find ways to protect this unique environment from climate change. While the melting ice raises concerns, research missions continue to discover more of the continent's secrets. In one project, scientists are drilling into deep ice to extract data on Earth's ancient climate and when climate change began to affect our planet.
Could humans live in Antarctica? As climate change progresses, some scientists are seriously considering the possibility of human settlements in the future. This would require advanced technology to ensure human survival in such an extreme environment.
Many countries collaborate through the Antarctic Treaty, an agreement that designates the continent as a natural reserve and prohibits military or commercial exploitation. This treaty is the only one of its kind, ensuring that Antarctica remains a place solely for scientific research. Antarctica could be key to understanding many natural phenomena occurring on Earth. Therefore, human settlements in Antarctica could become vital in exploring extreme environments both on Earth and in space.
As scientists continue to uncover the mysteries of Antarctica, this frozen continent remains an enigma that could hold many surprises. Could Antarctica be the key to discovering life beyond Earth? Will this icy land remain a mysterious haven, or will it eventually open its doors to human exploration in the future? Only time will reveal the answers to these questions. But what we know for sure is that this frozen puzzle will continue to capture the world's attention.